Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make these delicious gluten-free and low-carb fried chicken. For this recipe, I used peanut oil for frying, almond flour, psyllium husk, onion powder, white pepper, paprika powder, cumin powder, an egg, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, and tenderized chicken breast. To the almond flour, add the psyllium husk, spices, and salt. Then mix it and set it aside. In a different bowl, whisk the egg. Dip the chicken in the egg and then place the chicken in a bowl or a plate with the almond flour mixture. Now you can choose to bake the chicken in a preheated oven of 220 Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes, or you can deep fry the chicken until they're golden brown. And there you have your gluten-free, low-carb chicken. You can pair it with your favorite condiments such as mayo, ketchup, or even salsa. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.